Flying may be stressful, cramped, and simply uncomfortable, but what if a few innovative tools could entirely transform the experience? These travel gears are small but mighty, from keeping your phone hands-free to making your legs feel weightless and organizing all of your cords neatly. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road trip enthusiast, or simply planning your next holiday, having the appropriate accessories may make every journey easier, more comfortable, and less stressful. In this video, we count down the top 10 travel gadgets that make flying much easier, including inflatable pillows, phone holders, smart luggage organizers, and hands-free devices that you'll wonder how you ever traveled without. Number 10. MeCare Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. If you travel frequently or simply dislike holding your phone for extended periods of time, the MeCare Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder is one of those modest gadgets that will quickly become a favorite. It's designed to clip onto almost anything: airplane tray tables, desks, shelves, and even luggage handles, allowing you to watch movies or scroll without using your hands. What stands out is how adaptable it is. The 360-degree rotation allows you to position your phone at almost any angle, whether you want it upright for video calls or sideways for Netflix. The clamp feels firm and solid, so your phone stays in place without the constant worry of it slipping throughout the flight. It also folds down into a small size, making it easy to fit into your bag. However, it isn't ideal. If you choose a thick phone cover, especially one with a wallet or card holder, it may not grip as well, which can be bothersome. While the clamp is strong, you'll still need to position it carefully on thicker surfaces to have the optimum grip. Overall, it's a very useful small tool. Whether you're traveling, working at a desk, or simply lounging in bed, it provides a level of convenience that's difficult to replace once you've tried it. Number 9. Silicone Bottle Covers Travel Essentials. If you've ever unpacked your baggage and found shampoo all over your clothes, the Silicone Bottle Covers Travel Essentials are a simple yet effective solution. These elastic silicone sleeves fit over your toiletry bottles and form a tight seal, helping to prevent irritating leaks while traveling. The fact that they are so versatile makes them very useful. The cloth is soft but robust, so it easily expands to suit most travel-sized bottles, such as shampoo, lotion, or even hairspray. Once on, they cling effectively, providing peace of mind as your bag is tossed around. They're also extremely lightweight and tiny, so they don't take up any more space, which is ideal when attempting to pack light. Plus, the bundle includes various covers, allowing you to arrange multiple bottles at once or share them with family. However, they aren't fully foolproof. If your bottle has a pump top or is slightly too big, the fit may not be secure, and if you stretch them too much or keep them on big bottles for an extended period of time, they will loosen. To maintain the snug grip, you may need to adjust or clean them on occasion. Overall, they're a little but useful travel accessory, easy to use, reusable, and ideal for keeping your luggage tidy without adding bulk. Number 8. Amband Airplane Travel Essential Accessories Phone Holder. If you're often juggling your phone on flights or attempting to balance it for movies, the Amband Airplane Travel Essential Accessories phone holder feels like a useful small update. It's designed to stick your phone to flat surfaces such as airplane seat back displays, windows, and even mirrors, allowing you to go completely hands-free without the need for hefty stands. What really sets it apart is the mix of strong magnets and suction cups. The built-in magnets rapidly secure your phone in place, especially if you're using a MagSafe compatible device, and the many suction cups provide a firm grip on flat surfaces. That means that once you've set it, your phone will stay put, whether you're viewing anything on a lengthy journey or shooting video. It's also small and portable, so you can slip it into your pocket or bag and take it anywhere, from the gym to your room. However, it relies largely on smooth, clean surfaces to function effectively. If the surface is rough or dirty, the suction may not be as strong. And while the magnetic connection is convenient, non-MagSafe users must attach the provided ring, which adds an unnecessary step. Overall, it's a really useful tool, particularly for travelers and content creators. It simplifies hands-free operation in a way that is modern, portable, and surprisingly reliable in everyday scenarios. Number 7. Airplane Foot Hammock for Plane Travel. Long flights can quickly become painful, especially when your legs begin to stiffen and cramp. That's where the Airplane Foot Hammock for Plane Travel comes in. It's a simple hanging footrest that allows you to relax your legs while sitting. Instead of placing your feet flat on the floor, this soft sling allows you to elevate them slightly, which can make a significant difference on lengthy flights. One of its best features is the customizable design. With 3 height settings, you can adjust it based on how you sit, whether you want a tiny lift or more support. The fabric is soft and flexible, making it more like a comfortable cradle for your feet than a firm platform. It effortlessly loops over most tray tables, making installation quick and simple. It's also lightweight and folds down small, saving essential carry-on space. The extras, such as an eye mask and earplugs, make it feel like a travel-sized comfort kit. However, However, it is not ideal for all situations. It works best with regular tray tables, so if you're trapped with a fixed one or have limited legroom, it may not feel as effective. Also, because it is a soft hammock rather than a solid footrest, it may not provide adequate support for everyone. Overall, it's a useful little travel companion that provides comfort in a simple and convenient package. Number 6. Etexity Luggage Scale. If you've ever stood at an airport check-in counter, impatiently hoping your suitcase isn't overweight, the Etexity Luggage Scale feels like a modest tool that can spare you a lot of worry. It's a little handheld scale that allows you to rapidly weigh your suitcase before you leave the house, eliminating last-minute surprises. What makes it especially convenient is how simple it is to use. Simply connect it to your suitcase handle, raise it, and the clear digital display will show you the weight within seconds. It can withstand up to 110 pounds, so it can hold a carry-on or a fully packed bag without difficulty. The structure also feels robust, with a nice grip that does not slip while lifting. There's even a little temperature sensor incorporated, which is a good bonus for travelers who appreciate having multi-purpose tools. Because it is lightweight and compact, you can just toss it into your backpack and reuse it before your return trip, especially after shopping or picking up souvenirs. Of course, it isn't ideal. You do have to physically lift your luggage to get a reading, which might be difficult with heavy suitcases. And while the display is clear, using it in low light may require a second to adjust. Overall, is a simple yet dependable travel essential that will help you stay prepared, avoid bother, and pack with confidence whenever you fly. Number 5. 12 South AirFly SE. If you've ever been stranded on a flight and wished you could use your wireless headphones with the seatback screen, the 12 South AirFly SE is one of those products that immediately addresses the problem. It simply converts any gadget with a headphone jack, including airplane entertainment systems, gym machines, and even older TVs into a Bluetooth transmitter, allowing you to connect your AirPods or wireless headphones without having to deal with tangled wires. What makes it so tempting is how easy it is to use. Pairing is quick, so you don't have to fiddle with settings while everyone else is watching their movie. Once connected, the audio is smooth and consistent, and the built-in controls allow you to manage volume without reaching for your device. Another plus is the battery life, which is sufficient for long flights and allows you to continue using it while it charges, which is really useful. On the other hand, it is dependent on a charged battery, so failing to top it up before can be inconvenient. And while it works well with most wireless headphones, there may be a tiny delay in audio depending on the device, particularly for gaming or video. Overall, it's a little and portable addition that provides significant comfort benefits. After trying it, going back to corded airline headphones feels like a step back. Number 4. Swoko Travel Vacuum Bags with Cordless Electric Pump. If you're the type of traveler who runs out of bag space halfway through the packing process, the Swoko Travel Vacuum Bags with Cordless Electric Pump are a game changer. These aren't simply conventional packing cubes. They use a little vacuum pump to compress your items, allowing you to fit far more into your suitcase with less volume. What sticks out is how simple the whole process is. You stuff your items into the bags, seal them with double zip closure, and then use the cordless electric pump to remove the air in a matter of seconds. The pump is USB-C rechargeable, so you won't have to worry about locating a power source while on vacation. The package contains a variety of bag sizes, making it surprisingly easy to organize different sorts of clothing, bucket jackets in one and light clothes in another. The material also feels strong and resilient, allowing you to utilize it often without fear of leaks. However, there are a few minor trade-offs. While compression saves space, it may make your packed items feel stiff or wrinkled when you unpack. And because the system is dependent on the pump, you'll need to keep it charged to reap the full benefits, especially on longer excursions. Overall, it's a smart, space-saving solution that improves packing efficiency. After trying it, returning to traditional packing feels like a waste of space. Number 3. Lyzen Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. If you're tired of uncomfortably balancing your phone on flights or while working at a desk, the Lyzen Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder is one of those items that instantly makes life easier. It features MagSafe compatibility, which allows your phone to click into position virtually instantaneously, providing a secure and tidy setup without the need for tinkering. One of the most notable features is how robust it feels. The dual spring clamps securely grip surfaces such as tray tables, desktops, shelves, and even luggage handles, keeping your phone steady even in slightly shaky conditions like flights. At the same time, the 360-degree rotation allows you to change your viewing angle whenever you choose, whether you're watching a movie, making a video call, or recording something. It's also surprisingly adaptable adaptable, serving as a small stand or even a mini selfie stick when necessary. And because it's compact and portable, it fits seamlessly into your travel routine without adding bulk. Of course, it has some limits. It works best with MagSafe compatible phones, so if you use something else, you'll need to attach the supplied metal ring, which may seem like an unnecessary step. Also, while the clamp is powerful, it requires a suitable surface to be correctly attached for the optimum experience. Overall, it's a dependable, adaptable, small instrument that provides significant convenience. Once you've started using it, holding your phone all the time seems unnecessary. Number 2, FYY Electronic Organizer Travel Case. If your backpack is normally full of tangled chargers and strange wires, the FYY Electric Organizer Travel Case is one of those simple modifications that quickly restores order to the chaos. It's intended as a tiny bag that neatly organizes all of your tech requirements in one place, eliminating the need to search around for cables. What makes it so useful is the clever double-layer design. Inside, you'll discover various compartments and mesh pockets for separating everything: charging connections, earbuds, USB drivers, and even small gadgets like a mouse or power bank. The layout keeps everything visible and ordered, preventing tangles and loss. The outside material is water-resistant, providing some protection against spills or unexpected splashes, and the soft internal padding protects your accessories. It's also lightweight and compact enough to fit easily into a backpack or handbag, and the little hand strap makes it easy to transport on its own when necessary. However, the tiny size can be rather restrictive if you have larger attachments or longer cords, as they may not fit precisely in the smaller pockets. While it's useful for organization, it focuses on storage rather than heavy-duty protection. Overall, it's a useful everyday travel companion that keeps your technology organized, accessible, and stress-free, especially while you're on the run. Number 1, Malaton Inflatable Travel Pillow. If you've ever tried to get comfortable on a long flight, the Malaton Inflatable Travel Pillow is meant to make it much simpler. Instead of the typical neck pillow, this one has a more supportive, structural design that allows you to lean forward, cuddle it, or rest your head in various angles, so you're not stuck in an awkward upright posture the entire time. What really sets it apart is its ergonomic design. It supports not only your neck, but also your head and upper body, which can help relieve the stiffness and soreness that come with sitting for hours. The surface feels soft against the skin, and the inflatable design allows you to modify the stiffness to your desire. It's also extremely portable when deflated. It folds down tiny enough to fit neatly into your carry-on, and inflating it just requires a few breaths, making setup quick and straightforward. However, it does take some getting accustomed to. The design differs from regular pillows, so determining your most comfortable posture may need some trial and error. Because it is made of PVC, there may be a tiny odor at first, which normally vanishes after airing it out. In colder environments, the material may feel firmer. Overall, it's a sensible travel companion that provides more support than regular pillows, particularly if you wish to sleep peacefully on long travels. So there you have it, 10 travel gadgets that make flying considerably easier. These small tools, which range from hands-free phone holders to space-saving vacuum bags and the ultra-comfy Malaton Inflatable Travel Pillow, have the potential to completely improve your travel experience. They keep you organized, comfortable, and stress-free no matter where the travel takes you. If you're ready to upgrade your vacations and never have to deal with crowded planes or dirty bags again, make sure to subscribe to the LegitPick channel. Stay tuned for more innovative travel suggestions and essential gadgets for every vacation.